Here's a tip. When you're creating a Earthwork Takeoff, it's really easy to do. You'll want to start by clicking on the Analyze button and go to the Volumes dashboard. And then you can start by this new surface volume with a star. We're just going to call it Vol. And the style that we use is CVLX volume. The base surface is going to be the EG surface, and the comparison surface is going to be the PG surface. And then it's industry standard to do a fill factor of 1.15. So we'll click that. And now we have a surface. And it is 4,500 yards of cut, 10,700 of fill, with a net 6,200 of fill. So this site is going to require a lot of dirt being brought in. It's going to be a very expensive project to undertake. And that's it.